Okay, hello my traders. Are you ready for the fight? We are expecting in 18 minutes the PMI news and also in the top of the hour the ISM. Also some Fed speakers as usual, but the big news is the ISM services PMI. Also, it is a very volatile day. We saw huge volatility in gold because of the rumors that Fed is gonna remove the pillar that initiated last year. It's not a rumor, it is something that was announced at the end of January, but now market as we approach the deadline decided to press. I believe Fed just is gonna give an extension because I don't believe Fed is gonna let the banks collapse. It's stupid to believe something like that, but of course markets like to push the authorities every time. We have seen this many times. Technically speaking, we saw this blow off top, and if price move below 2120, I think the game is over for gold, at least for the short term, and another move lower is coming. Okay, let's see stocks. Nasdaq, we talk about this downward move that started yesterday, and we saw that we broke below the opening range and the move accelerated. Now we are gonna open at the lows for the day. I believe this downtrend will continue as long as the price structure remains like that and favors another move lower. Market is opening in 1 minute, let's see. In the FX space, we saw little move in the dollar. Market is waiting for PMIs to move. Oil also had a spike, a dip in the morning that found buyers. Okay, short term it is making lower lows, lower highs, and this will change if we rally back above $79. But I believe oil is remaining in buy the dip mode. Yes, crazy moves in the gold. Market makers like to clear the books. But I believe that we are gonna have a big de-escalation of this move because, as I said, I just see the announcement coming from the Fed that will extend the window or do something else. I don't believe that 11th of March banks would collapse. It's stupid to believe something like that, but what to say? Market loves the drama. Markets always. Okay, and talking about markets have just started. We see a push lower. I said yesterday I wouldn't add shorts as long as we are trading above 8k. We are approaching this number now, despite that I shorted yesterday at the 300s. Anyway, I believe okay, this is a price action. We entered below those two previous double top structure, or at least we are trying intraday. So if we see a move below 18,000, it's gonna be a clear reinsertion of this range, and we're gonna see a quick move down to 600-700 this area that I was expecting. Let's see. PMI, if it is stronger than expected, will accelerate this move. If not, it's gonna create a spike that will offer short-term opportunities. Okay, let's stick to our system. Opening range has started. It's been created as we speak. I'm tempted to buy this dip because I believe we're gonna have at least one move back to the 50-60, this area here, but better wait. Yes, even Nvidia opening lower. This is something at least after all this pushing higher. And if Nvidia opens 1% lower, I'm afraid. Also, Nvidia marked, I posted this in the morning in my Twitter, this daily candle here is big rejection, but we have seen everything with Nvidia, so better wait to see confirmation. Confirmation would be a move below 837. And let's see now the bulls trying to cut this falling knife if Nvidia is 1-2% lower. I would like to see this. I'm looking cable to short because it was unexpected PMIs this morning, and despite that is outperforming, testing again 127. I believe this level will be a nice short with stops at 10-15 points lower, pips higher, but better see the news first. Euro is struggling, lower lows, lower highs. I believe this is setting up for a big break below 10840. But of course, it remains to be seen, because if we see softer PMI, this will spike higher to test for another time the 50-60 area up here. Bonds, okay, we saw some bid in the morning. Let's see, currently stalling here, waiting the news. Okay. Market pushing lower, new lows as we speak. Crypto also at new highs, but I believe the time has come for a correction. Okay, we say this every day. Anyway, I don't care about crypto. I'm not buying this hype, but it is what it is. When you see meme coins triple and quadruple in just a few days, okay, what to say? Better buy Nvidia. Talking about Nvidia, already reversing in the positive territory again. I told you this bull cannot die so easily, and even if we see break below 837, it's gonna find a lot of buyers. Still the structure is pointing higher because we see higher highs, higher lows. Gaps, these gaps must close to the downside and reverse in order to have a reversal. And despite that, Nasdaq cannot reverse, already 1% lower. Let's see if Nvidia can hold Nasdaq above 18,000 or it's gonna be the last frontier to fall for the bulls. It's gonna be actually, but okay, let's see it. Okay. 6 minutes for the first news set, data set. But the important is PMI at the top of the hour. Services. Hello, Alex. Very bearish opening today, and everything is setting up for a rug pull, but we have seen this story many times, so better let the market confirm it. Currently I don't have position here. I'm expecting any spike higher to short. Okay, I made some small in and outs this morning, scalping, but no position yet. Now we see Nasdaq 1.15% lower and Nvidia 0.5% higher. Imagine what will happen if Nvidia turns 2% lower. Bloodbath. Yes, I did some in and out in gold. I have some positions open short in gold, looking for the escalation of this spike higher in next days. And if I see a move below 15.20 today, I mean this area here, maybe I will add some shorts, but for now I remain on the sidelines because as I said many times, you cannot be short gold. Market will punish you someday, and currently last few days we are getting punished, but okay, I'm for the long term. Okay, now we see the first news. Strong number, stronger than expected. That's why we see the dip in Euro GBP. But the big number is coming at the top of the hour. And Nasdaq breaking lower. Let's see. Gold also correcting. Let's see for how long the dollar will remain down here. Strange that we don't see dollar picking up. And Nasdaq breaking lower, we see this trying to make a clear break below the opening range. I think today it's the day. Nvidia also turning lower, negative. We need to see also dollar higher and gold lower to seal the deal. Okay, less than 8 minutes for the PMI news. Yes, I have some small position in short in gold. I think yes, they put discounts from time to time. Today they have 70% and $35 resets, but meaning that if you have old account that you have blue, you can just reset it with $35, meaning it's cheaper than 80% discount. You got what I mean. If you have blown an account, a challenge, you can just reset with just $35 today. And I think the next 2 days. I took advantage of this offer and reactivate 2 accounts. Yes, for the next 3 days resets will cost $35 just. And new evaluations 70%, but 35 for the 50k account, $35 is more than, it's 82%. It's better to reset an old account than starting new. Now I'm short from yesterday from lower prices. I didn't increase the risk today. I just did some in and out in my other accounts, not in the copy trading. But I see a move down to 50-60 when things calm a little bit. Okay, I think I'm gonna risk one micro here short.
Order filled.
Going for the news. Just for educational purposes. But I clearly see a move down to 860 coming, 900, 869 area. Okay, let's lower it a bit. And if I see a spike higher now after the news, I would like to add. Less than 2 minutes for the PMI. Yeah, it's just a micro. Just to be in the game. Because I see the momentum lower, I would be surprised to see a spike higher, but okay. We have all the indications, lower lows, lower highs, break of the opening range, what else you need? Okay, here we go for the news. Whoops, spiking higher. A little bit less than expected. Okay, here are the spike that we were expecting. I don't believe this will have a steam, this move. Just gonna die somewhere here. $70.72 is nice short area. Okay, let's put 70. Dollar is taking a hit now. What the fuck? I don't like this move. Gold also spiking. Crazy moves today.
Order filled.
I'm shorting some euros here. Bitcoin also at new highs. This Pelosi joke is getting out of hand, really. Okay, I think that was it.
Order filled.
Let's go for the break lower now. Okay, here we go. Rug pull. Exactly as expected. 70 contained the spike higher. Now we're gonna see a clear break to the downside. Next target 909. And below I'm gonna put some orders sitting. New lows for the day. Surprised that see dollar still down here. Gold crazy spikes again. And now we're gonna see a rug pull. Okay, here we go. First initial spike lower finds some support. Normal. I should have covered here, but okay. 18k is big psychological support number, but it's not gonna last. I wanna see gold lower and dollar higher to seal the deal of the move lower here in stocks. Come on now. It's going to retest the previous low here. And then another push lower. Here we go. Okay. Nvidia also turning lower. Apple big up down 3%, another 3% lower. Facebook 2, Microsoft 2. Yields I expect a move to reverse higher above 416. Let's see, bonds. Reversal below here. Gold is pushing higher here again. Okay, let's see the break here in stocks. Okay, give me the spike lower to cover the shorts and call it a day. Here we go. I'm tempted to short gold here as well. Okay.
Order filled.
I'm going one here. I'm playing. I'm risking a little bit. Okay, I will take one profit here.
Order filled.
Gold is pushing higher. Very strange situation to see gold higher. Okay, now at least the dollar is pushing lower, supporting gold. Here we go.
Order filled.
I'm shorting some euros as well up here in cable.
Order filled.
Okay, gold now reversing. Must enter the opening range again below 41 to accelerate the move lower. Okay, let me take it off.
Order filled.
I will leave just one running. Here we go in gold. Let's cover it at 36. Let's going for 1,000 trade. Stocks are taking a hit here. Nvidia also pushing lower. Now the party will begin if Nvidia breaks below here. Tesla 4% down. Oh. Let's go. Okay, I'm coming back in a little bit. Okay, we see the move continue pushing lower, going slowly but steady to our target. Gold also almost hit. Come on. All the money in short and Q was today. I'm gonna cover gold. Okay.
Order filled.
Another new low for stocks. We are more than 100 points, 400 ticks in this short. Okay, I'm covering.
Order filled.
Cannot wait. Of course, new low. Just after I covered, I don't care, but I simply don't care. I'm gonna add more shorts here in the FX.
Order filled.
And gold.
Order filled.
Okay, it was a good opening trade session today. Short covering means that you close the short. What do you mean? Okay guys, I leave you with that now. I hope you enjoyed today's session. We had some nice trades. Now I would like to see dollar picking up from here. Gold reversing lower. And stocks going for a rug pull despite I covered. Okay. It was a good day. Don't be greedy. But I expect another at least push down to 800 something. Okay, it's less than 50 points now, but okay, we nailed this move to the pip almost. Okay, don't forget to hit the like button and see you tomorrow.